In this video, I'm going to share with you the easiest remedy you can make at home in order to grow your hair fast and long in just few days. And at the same time, if you're suffering from hair loss, please, this recipe can make it. It's very easy and simple to make at home. Okay? What you have to do is to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And please, if this is your first time to watch a video from Coach Uganda, subscribe right now, because I don't want you to be missing educative videos I always upload. Okay? And please tell us your next video which you'd like to see from Coach Uganda. And don't forget to give a like to this video, to comment on this video. Let us see our procedures, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Get for me 1 lemon, which is yellow in color. But if you don't have yellow color, you can use any type of lemon you have at home. From that, get 1/2 piece of your lemon, get its juice. Okay, guys, trust me, this recipe, when it comes to growing your hair, preventing hair loss, you will thank me later. Okay? And then from that, I want you to get for me red onion. Remove the outer parts of your red onion. Okay, as you see what I'm doing right now. But please, guys, give a like to this video. Tell us where you're watching this video from, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have never subscribed, because I need your help, you need me, I need you. So from that, I want you to grate your red onion, as you see what I'm doing right now. Okay? But trust me, if you're suffering from hair loss, you want to grow your hair fast and long in few days, you need this recipe. And then add for me 1 spoon of olive oil. Any type of olive oil, no problem. Add 1 spoon and mix very well. Okay? And mix very well. Trust me, you are going to stop crying for hair loss. You will stop crying for growing your hair fast and long in few days. Okay? This will make it. This can make wonders. Lemon, olive oil, and red onion. But please, guys, watch the entire video, because I'm going to tell you when and how to use this recipe. Okay? You have seen the procedures, and you have seen the easiest way you can make this recipe at home. Okay? And remember, this recipe can make wonders. First of all, to help you to grow your hair fast and long, and at the same time, it can prevent hair loss. Okay? But after going through the procedures, what you're going to do, okay, you're going to apply that recipe to your hair and scalp. Massage gently, at least for 5 minutes. From that, I want you to cover your head with plastic bag for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I want you to clean your head, or to wash your hair using cold clean water with shampoo. At least do it every day, minimum 30 days. after 30 days, okay, trust me, you will thank me later, because this recipe, lemon, onion and oil, when it comes to hair loss, when it comes to growing hair, can make wonders. Okay, just try it. At least try your level best to make it at least 3 days in a week. But what I'm requesting you, if you have not yet subscribed to Coach Uganda's YouTube channel, you're missing a lot. Do it right now. Subscribe right now. Turn on the notification bell. Relax. May God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again. Mwah.